What is mantra and why does it work for stress? Mantra is a Sanskrit word that means man, mind, tra, free. Mantra is repeating a phrase over and over as a means of giving the mind a bone, giving the mind something to occupy it so that the mind can calm down. So, in the yoga and tantric practices, mantra is often used as a means of passing down information, so teaching, but it's also um, a means of meditation, especially for those of us who are super busy and think we're not good meditators, because there's really no such thing. We are all excellent meditators, but the misperception has to do with the fact that it's just difficult for humans under stress to calm ourselves down. That's where mantra comes in. So, in mantra meditation, we repeat a phrase, and it's usually with a particular message, or sometimes it's a shout out to a particular being, enlightened being, or something like that. Um, and when we repeat this phrase over and over for a particular length of time, 106 is what is often recommended, and that's a mala of mantra, um, that we begin to receive benefits. Okay. Now, here in our modern world, we tend to focus on the physical benefits, but there are also really big mental health benefits as well. So, meditation um, has a growing number of evidence-based benefits. It's fantastic and has beautiful literature support as a manager of stress, to improve anxiety. Anybody feeling a little anxious these days? For depression and improving the quality of sleep. So excellent evidence for these benefits. And it has decent, kind of moderate benefits for overall mental health, overall sleep, managing pain, managing cardiovascular risk factors or heart health, improving heart health, the number one cause of death in the United States, um, and for changing health benefits. So how about that? Is that enough benefit for you? Are you in there somewhere? So mantra meditation is fun, interesting. It's a little bit like singing a song. It's a little bit like a prayer, and it's a little bit of meditation all rolled into one. So from a cost benefit, the cost to you would be a little bit of your time, let's say 10 minutes, okay? And the benefits would be a total reset of your nervous system that provides all of these stress-related benefits. So when we meditate, when we take this time out from our day, we can change our nervous system from that chronic fight or flight, that wound up, that upregulated tension that psychologists say Americans are in all the time at this point, and we cultivate parasympathetic activation of the nervous system, which is our rest and recovery, rest and digest, healing side of the nervous system that very, very few Americans are able to access these days. So the cost is so low just a little bit of your time, and the potential benefits are simply enormous. It can change your life for the better. Why not give it a try? So, what's your next step? Download my free workbook, Intention, Mantra, Affirmation, that begins to show you how mantra can help you change habits for the better. It's absolutely free, and I think it's a great next step for you. I'll be teaching all spring this fantastic practice of mantra. And I hope to see you again and keep me posted. I want to hear how it's going for you. And have yourself a fantastic day. Hari Om.